Several days ago I played a fun game with a kid. He doesn't even know what sinus and cosinus means. But I said, can you guess what sine to the power of 5 plus cosine to the power of 5 is equals to? If you guess right, I'll buy you a huge milk chocolate right now. And you know, without spending even 2 seconds, he said his version. And I have to say that I am lost. He won chocolate. Intuition helped him, and I'm sure some of you are also suspects the correct answer. But we wouldn't guess. Let's put sinus x as a and cosine x as b. In this way, we can write our problem like a plus b equals to 1. And what is the value a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5? So look firmly at these two formulas. In my opinion, a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 looks very hard. So let's write second formula as a function from a plus b. Or let it write like product of a plus b and someone else. But how? Let's make a really cool math trick and divide a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 by a plus b by a column. In this way, we have the first member a to the power of 4 in left minus a to the power of 5 plus a to the power of 4b, and we have minus a to the power of 4b plus b to the power of 5. Here we have minus a to the power of 3 times b. Here we have minus a to the power of 4b minus a to the power of 3b to the power of 2 minus a to the power of 3b to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 5. And here we have plus a to the power of 2b to the power of 2. And here we have minus a to the power of 3b to the power of 2 plus a to the power of 2 times b to the power of 3. And we have minus a squared b3 plus b5 minus a times b to the power of 3 minus a squared b3 minus a times b4, and we still have a b4 plus b5 and plus b to the power of 4 minus a b4 plus b5, and here is 0. So this bracket equals to this formula. We can put it here. Now we remember that a plus b equals to 1. So this member equals to 1. It means that a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 equals to this formula. But now let's make a really cool trick. Let's square both sides of first equation. Sine squared x plus 2 times sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x, and it equals to 1. Sine x plus cosine x equals to 1. This is the most basic trigonometrical equation. This means that 2 times sine times cosine x equals to 0, or as sine x equals to a and cosine x equals to b, a times b equals to 0. In this way, we understand that all these things are equals to 0. So, a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 equals to a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. And let's return from a, b to sine x and cosine x, and we can write it like sine squared x to the power of 2 plus cosine squared x to the power of 2. Does it remind you something? We can write it like full square, isn't it? Sine squared x plus cosine squared x to the power of 2 minus 2 times sine squared x and cosine squared x. Of course, this is the most basic trigonometrical equation, and it equals to 1. And this product, sine x cosine x, is equals to 0. So finally we get that a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 equals to 1. Our problem is solved, and sine to the power of 5x plus cosine to the power of x is equals to 1. 1 in first equation and 1 in second. I think it's a really cool kid's logics, isn't it? But problem is not even a kid. I hope that several years later I can explain him this decision. And guys, I also hope that you really enjoyed looking this video. And you have a good day. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and remember that I really want to see you in the next video.